looks like it's grocery store.
Well, we just got set up on Lake of the Woods in Baudette, Minnesota. We're fishing out of LOTW Sleepers. It's Tuesday afternoon right now. We have fishing the rest of the night. We're fishing all day Wednesday and Thursday morning. I'm with my dad and my grandpa in a very nice shack. We got ESPN on the TV. Just got set up. Grandpa's jigging, a couple tip-ups out. And yeah, we're just getting set up, a couple bobber lines down, and hopefully we can get some fish this week. So it's off to the side now. Yeah, you fishing bluegill?
That's for effect. 13?
No.
Oh, I don't know.
Sauger. You hooked one.
Dragger?
Walleye.
That's the 14-inch hole right there.
That fish is not 14 inches.
Yeah, bend down.
Whoa, they're hammering.
Drag racer.
Ooh.
It's a nice fish.
Ooh. Finally. Something to eat.
Any way I can help you?
No, he's right here. He's too.
Oh, there are some here.
He might be too big.
He is only 19 and an eighth.
Oh, you can't keep him over 19. Oh,
19 and an eighth.
I don't know. He's 20.
Well, just got about a 21-inch walleye. He's over the slot for Lake of the Woods. It's about a little after 5, so hopefully we'll get a few more tonight, but we gotta let this one go. Perfect. Hopefully we get another one.
Turd.
It's
a turd.
Poked one?
I got him. I got him.
What's going on here, huh?
Nice!
Sauger?
Another sog, number 4. Don't forget to record it.
Not 4.
This is my 4th. There's no fish down there.
I poked him. I heard drag. Did
No.
you not hear the drag?
Nope.
Alright, well,
Alright, I'm out of here.
He was in my hole.
There's no fish down there.
I poked him.
Okay.
Oh, and happy.
He's coming back.
Oh, alright, alright.
Uh-oh. He nailed him. What the hell? Oh my God. Sorry, Noah, but he's going back in the water.
It's all right, Grandpa. All I had to do was prove that they like this bait for you.
All right. Well, those turds will ain't like it.
What is he?
Sauger.
Hey, public relations lady, you see Shooter McGavin around?
Well, guys, it's a little after dark now. It's probably almost 7:30 or 8 o'clock. I missed fighting this fish because I just came out of the bathroom and I looked out and the bobber was down. But we got some Talladega Nights Ricky Bobby on TV. We got baked chicken. We're gonna have some cheesy potatoes, and we're just adding fish to the bag. So hopefully we'll get a few more tonight before the night's over.
Got him.
Yeah, he's not big, but
Not big. Oh, well, that's right.
It counts. Not yet, he doesn't count.
he's got he had a lamprey on him.
Oh, he might be 13.
I can't see him. I got the tables in the way. No. Sauger. Don't we have any walleyes out here? Real simple.
Whoa.
Not huge,
Not huge.
but not tiny.
You got a fish?
Head shakes.
Fish?
Yeah,
Oh.
fish on. Whoa, he's fighting, Noah.
It's a nice one.
Here we go. They don't bite at night.
Uh-oh, that might be too long.
No,
No?
no. That's 17 and
Look
a
at that
half.
black.
Nice fish.
Yeah, I made a picture with you. Fish on?
Yeah, not a big one. Well, might be keeper. It'll be
Grandpa's sleeping. It only has to be 11.
walleye.
I think Noah got a keeper.
Caught that fish on the light up glow jig.
Hold him up for. He's close.
Yeah, I think he made it. You better start eating fish.
Well, guys, it's the end of day one. It's Tuesday night. We ended up with, I think, 16 fish was our total. Mix of sauger and walleye. We got 7 or 8 in the bucket for the night. We're gonna have a nice fish fry tomorrow, hopefully. We have 3 rattle reels that we're gonna keep down for the night. Dad's in bed. Grandpa's in bed. Just kind of wrapping it up. I'm about to go to bed up top. And yeah, we're gonna sign out for the night, but hopefully wake up to a rattle reel.
Noah just woke me up. He's got something to say.
Well, just about to climb into bed. Caught this beautiful walleye to end the night. I'm gonna get a quick measurement. He's over the slot. He just sits right at about 20. So he's just a little too big for us to keep, but still a beautiful fish to end the night. So see you in the morning. Well, guys, it's probably hard to see me, but it is day 2, morning 2. Just woke up a little after 6:30 right now, and I am in charge of. Sorry, I know you can't see me. I'm in charge of getting the holes drilled for the tip-ups. So that's my job right now. Overnight we caught, I don't know, 5 to 8 fish. I caught a burbot. I'll try to include a picture, a little video of that here. A few saugers, a couple small walleyes. Nothing crazy, nothing huge, but Yeah, I'm gonna get these holes drilled, and hopefully we'll get on them again today. So stay tuned.
So,
We're planning for a fish fry tonight.
okay.
Perch.
A perch?
Ooh, even.
He's awfully little.
Yeah.
Thought that trailer might end up on shore too. With the wind.
Yeah, I was wondering it last night. When did you see me when I was pulling away from here? The whole trailer's just slid sideways on me behind the ranger. That's why I kind of tried to park it on some snow.
Need help, Noah?
No, I'll get them.
Oh, I like when people catch fish when I'm here.
Yeah.
We brought the good luck.
I tell you, sometimes it just takes a little bit of noise. Like this, sometimes I'll just go and drive around the house a bunch of times.
I don't think he's very big.
You got added to your tally though, Noah. Is that one under 2?
Yeah.
Geez, another one? Holy!
Your rod tip just bounced too. I might be in it though. Your jig rod bounced. If you're does not look large. Wow, impressive. It's probably more than enough, yeah.
Gonna get cloudy shortly.
This guy's got some weird growths on him.
You got one?
I did.
He goes back in.
Yeah, he's just got some weird growths on him. Yeah.
Pike ball.
Yeah, do you want to use the shovel to get that snow off? If it's a pike, we can't tell Grandpa.
That has a pike look.
It does.
Small. Making it spin like that? We just need to score out here. That's a keeper.
Ooh, that's a nice one. This one feels decent too.
Keeper. You always got a keeper. You always got something.
Don't lose them.
Yeah, well, I lost it.
Go get him quick. Right there.
We got an escapee.
Yeah.
Was he a keeper escapee?
Yeah. I'm gonna get him.
Double?
Yeah, almost a triple. Where is he, Noah?
I don't know.
I just had a white also.
Nice.
You need a minute when you come over, Noah.
Okay, well, right now I'm trying to catch our fish.
Oh, you still underneath the house?
Yeah.
Can we see him?
We got shit everywhere here, got it.
I was gonna step over it and try to pick them.
Well, how are you guys doing? It looks like free for all of fish catching.
Well, they
That's
weren't.
awesome.
There was deader than hell. And all of a sudden,
Got him.
Nice.
Oh, you got him? Good one, Noah.
tracked him down.
Sweet. Yeah, nice double.
Yeah, two nice ones.
We'll throw him in our bucket behind you.
Sure. Whoa, that's a nice bucket.
Well, my fish cleaning crew hasn't started yet.
Yeah.
Whether or not he held on.
That's the whole thing. They make that initial hit, and a lot of them drop it. Not that one,
Not this one. It's got some weight, Grandpa.
though. Good.
Good weight.
Steel pout?
No. Definitely not an eel pout.
Oh.
Nice one.
Beauty.
We're starting to get some better ones now. Nice one.
Oh, yeah. Well, guys, it's Wednesday. It's about 2 p.m. Or almost 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock-ish. We're one fish away from our limit, and there's a big weather situation coming where we're going to get 6 to 8 inches of snow. We heard up to 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and dangerous travel for tomorrow morning. So we were advised, and we decided to get off the lake tonight, head back to Brainerd tonight, and hopefully we'll get some fishing done in Brainerd. But for now, we're just looking to get our last walleye or sauger. We got the whole crew is still fishing. Just need one more, and we got to pack it all up. Wait for the LOTW Sleepers guides to come pick us up, and then we're gonna be done for this trip. But we had a lot of fun, and hopefully we'll keep catching some fish in Brainerd. Did you get him?
It hooks a turd.
A turd? Wow.
That's not our final fish.
Are we gonna fill our limit with that thing?
Nope.
It's a walleye though.
It is. He's got 2 minnows. He probably just tripped our tip up.
Dirty bugger.
Oh no, the limit fish.
Oh, not the limit fish.
Go catch that one, Grandpa. Dang it, one finally came up to my bait nice.
We probably have a school of these swimming around.
That's probably it, a whole school of them sons of bitches.
Oh, I missed that one.
Dang it.
not huge. Probably the same size we just caught in the shack. We can't get these fast enough from here. Well guys, we're back in Brainerd now. Just got done cleaning all 18 of our fish. That's the possession limit at Lake of the Woods. We had 11 walleye, 7 sauger. Yep, 11 and 7. And got through them pretty quick. Electric fillet knife made it a breeze. We're gonna go have a nice meal of fish now. I'll get a couple pictures, little videos of that, but other than that, we're gonna head out to the lake here in Brainerd tomorrow. And I plan on making a whole new video for this Brainerd fishing, so make sure you guys check that one out after this video. But for now, I'll include just a couple more videos after this, but signing out. So thanks for watching.
I agree.